Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. It's been quite awesome. To my new subscribers, thank you, and to my old ones, I really appreciate you. So today I'm making an homemade strawberry cheesecake. My kids like them so much, and I try to make them once in a while for them. And after this, don't forget to click the subscribe button, like my videos, share your comments, and also share with family. So today I'm using a Betty Crocker already cake mix. So I'm just gonna add my eggs, milk, and a little bit of oil here. Mix everything together, and I'm gonna be baking this at 350 degrees for about 45 to 50 minutes. So I already sprayed and lined my baking pan here. So I'm just gonna pour everything in here and straight into the oven. So while my cake is baking, I have water here. I'm gonna be mixing gelatin. So I'm gonna be setting this aside for just a while my cake is ready, and I'm gonna be warming it up later on. So this is a softened cheese that I'm using here, and I added sugar, and I'm just gonna mix it all together. And that's a little bit of milk, and I'm using a little bit of lemon juice as well. So mix everything together. So the next thing I'll be adding here would be the gelatin. So what I'm just going to be doing, because it would have thickened up now, I'm just going to microwave it just for a little while. And lest I forget, I also have this here, my vanilla extract. So just try as much as possible to mix everything properly. Then I already warmed up the gelatin here. I'm just going to add it, mix it up also. So at this point in time, I already have my cake ready, cooling already. So what I'm just going to do next is bring my cake in and just spread my strawberry. So I'm using a fresh strawberry here. I already sliced them into different sizes. So I'm just going to arrange them, lay them properly. You don't have to be perfect with this. The most important thing is that you're eating everything at the end of the day. So perfection is not the point here. So I'm just going to point all this here, properly lay it, and just do a little bit of decorating and all that. So I'm going to set another layer of the fresh strawberries. So after this is done, what I'm just going to do is just to cover it up with a plastic wrap, and I'm going to be putting it back in the fridge for at least 2 hours or more. You could even do it overnight, like you're going to be having some friends and families around, and you can do this the night before, and just bring it out of the fridge when it's ready. So now I'm bringing it back out of the fridge after about more than 2 hours, and yeah, that's just it. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much for sticking around and watching my videos. Always share my videos if you like what you see. Share with friends, families, and also don't forget to click the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much, and I'll see you some other time. Goodbye.